Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the world of retro charm and nostalgic fun with the best from American Gumball Company, the metal 11-inch retro-style pink gumball machine. If you're looking to add a touch of vintage flair to your home or office, or perhaps bring back some fond childhood memories, this gumball machine is exactly what you need. This gumball machine combines a high-quality metal construction with a timeless retro design, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're using it as a decorative piece or as a functional candy dispenser, this gumball machine is built to last and withstand heavy use, making it perfect for high-traffic areas like parties or busy offices. One of the standout features of this gumball machine is its versatility. It's not just for gumballs. You can use it to dispense a wide variety of snacks, from gumballs sized between 0.50 and 0.62 inches, to jelly beans, hard candies, or even mixed nuts. It's a snack lover's dream come true. Plus, it's not just for adults. With its easy-to-use coin mechanism, it's a fun way for kids and adults alike to enjoy their favorite treats. You can use any US coin, like pennies, nickels, dimes, or quarters, to release the snacks. And for those moments when you don't want to use a coin, there's an optional free spin feature that lets you dispense treats without needing to drop in any change. This gumball machine isn't just functional, it also serves as a vibrant addition to any space. Its pink retro design will brighten up any room, whether you place it in your home, office, or even at a party. It's more than just a candy dispenser. It's a statement piece that adds a playful vibe wherever it goes. Refilling the machine is a breeze as well. Simply remove the top locking nut with a coin, pour in your favorite snacks, and you're all set. The machine's secure storage ensures that the treats stay safely inside until it's time to enjoy them. If you're a fan of vintage-style decor, the American Gumball Company's 11-inch retro-style pink gumball machine is a must-have. It blends the old-school charm of a classic vending machine with modern-day convenience. Perfect for enhancing any room, this machine doubles as both a decorative item and a functional snack dispenser, adding a pop of color and fun to your space. So, whether you're looking to relive some nostalgia or just want a unique way to display and dispense snacks, this gumball machine is your go-to option. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on all things cool and functional. Thanks for watching.